that shit up.
Ooh.
What's the big deal?
It fucking smells. Like, it really gets fucking worse when you get close to it. You're really enjoying this, aren't you? You bastard. Oh, they're like little pebbles. No, like, I'm being serious, like, when you pick it up, like, the smell from underneath, like, just...
Oh, fuck.
I'm getting closer and closer to throwing up. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
You're mopping that shit.
Fuck that. I ain't mopping shit.
How do I do something?
I have one mop that shit up.
Look at even the water of the fucking thing's
Ugh.
turning brown.
Fucking dirty, dude.
Did he shit out a penny too?
What? You forgot a pebble over there, dude. Oh, fuck. That's some funny ass shit, dude. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna put this shit on YouTube.